Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today's that day. While I'm still recovering a little bit from that minor surgery I had, I thought I could take care of some low-hanging fruit. I apologize, I did not get this done before surgery day. I had hoped to, but that kind of snuck up on me. But here we are. Remember, this is a kit, a Leader 3 kit, and if you want to see all the components that are in this kit, you can go back to that video and you see that linked in the top right hand corner of your screen. Also, shipping within the continental US is on me. I will go ahead and pay for that. We've got a nice small box. I would say it measures about 9 by 6 and it's only about 2 inches thick, so shipping costs should be very, very minor for our international friends. If you happen to win, you can take care of that outright if you feel if that's something you want to do. We can also work on splitting the cost, or we can just work on using some creative shipping methods that some of the winners in the past have chosen. You've been looking at the video. Let's go ahead and copy that URL into the random comment picker. Plop that in right here, and let's load the comments. .634 unique users, just like it shows right there. 634 comments. Looks like we don't have any duplicates this time. Hooray! We got 585 likes. Look at that high like count for the comment count. So that's nice. It looks like we've got some people that did not choose to enter. I'm not sure why that is, but I would be curious to know. It's probably due to the shipping costs, I suspect. There's just not much I can do about that. I'll be closing the comments as soon as I get done recording this video. So we've got all our comments picked. Let's go ahead and let's randomly pick our first winner. Remember, there's two. The first one will have 4 days to get back to me. The second one will then be our winner if the first selector does not get back to me within 4 days. 4 days seems like a pretty good sample. We run through the weekend and a little bit at the beginning of the week. Hopefully everybody catches up on their YouTube viewing over that course of time. So let's go. Snow Bros FPV. Sounds like we've got a FPVer out there. That's awesome. Let's go ahead and give Snow Bros FPV a little bit of a shout out on their channel. Not a whole lot of content there. Looks like XJB 145 must have had that fairly recently. Looks like we've got 2 videos in the last 3 months on that, and then doing a little Atomo Quads Mach 3. Nice. So pretty cool. So Snow Bros FPV, you've got 4 days from the published date of the video. There's also a time code on the upload on the back end that I can look at if we really get down to moment by moment, but that's really, really rare. I actually haven't had that happen yet. So, and Snow Bros comment looks pretty sweet. I hope I win. And 1 comment just to cover our bases. Let's go ahead and select one more. Lord Blasto FPV. How awesome. Thanks, Nick, for the opportunity to win this quad. Let's check out Lord Blasto's channel. So we don't have any of his content, but you see his subscriptions are listed here. Quad Mover. That guy is amazing when it comes to line of sight. I don't know how he does. Miss Creature over there. Curry Kitten. Old Head. I don't know Old Head. I heard his name mentioned a few times, but let's just see what else we happen to have there. Zoe. Onigiri, APOC, all sorts of different channels. Some I don't know. There's Albert and Bot Grinder and Vortex and Gal and RC Shim, all sorts of good channels. Looks like you're an enthusiast too. It's good to see. You got a brushless and a brush model up there as well. So those are our 2 winners. We've got Snow Bros FPV, your winner number 1. So you've got 4 days from the date of this video published. And then if Snow Bros happens to not get back to me, Lord Blasto, you will be our winner. And again, the shipping costs, continental US, I'll take care of that. If you're international, then we'll work something out. Maybe we'll split the cost, or we'll try to use some creative shipping methods to get that down to where it's manageable for us. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed the video, and so congratulations to those who did win. I suspect there's going to be another giveaway coming up pretty soon because things are getting tight around here again. I just kind of noticed the other day that the boxes are starting to stack up, so look forward to that. Make sure you're subscribed, click that notification bell so you don't miss those sorts of videos. You know, free quads, who would want to miss that? All right, guys, I appreciate everybody participating, and thanks for watching.